Good morning. My name is Angeles Ramirez. Today I am going to talk about how they celebrate the New Year's in London. History. New Year Eve in England is very old holiday. According to the story, the celebration of the New Year Eve in England is bad to ancient Babylon. The different version the a note is that he used to start on the first day of spring. When are you going to will travel to London? My friend and me are going to London to celebrate New Year. We will travel on December 30 Restavit. The celebration New Year Eve on December 31st. Enjoying the best fireworks. Tradition. We are going to Cathedral and the iconic sport by the Big Ben Tower. When Big Ben rings the 12th chant to mark the New Year in London, then we will all dance and sing the old year song that is sung in all English-speaking countries. After midnight, my friend and Wall go to London Eye. The this place we enjoy the best firework show in the world. Be the way after midnight and all the bars and clubs. The parties last until the wee hours of the morning. And in January 1st, no staying at home. We have to attend the London New Year Parade, open parade that features a dancer, so we must wear comfortable shoes to enjoy the New Year's in England. It is going to be unforgettable. See you!